Manufacturing contributes to 16% of the global GDP. It is very crucial for businesses to monitor, manage, and maintain their machineries, and also to ensure the least downtime possible while planning maintenance efficiently. Most of the machines store their data locally. It is a tedious process to collect the data manually from each individual machine to get useful insights. RIOT PLM ONE is a multi-protocol, low-powered IoT device that can be connected to any machine, allowing the data to be fetched in real time and sent to a cloud platform. These devices can be connected to the cloud via Wi-Fi, GSM, or Ethernet. These can also be connected to a local LoRa network. The cloud platform enables users to monitor performance, uptime, downtime, get alerts in real time, and also generate various reports and analytics. Various machine learning modules can also be enabled to visualize future error tolerance, production capabilities, performance matrix, and plan predictive maintenance. This data can also be customized, configured, and integrated with any third-party platforms. Make manufacturing efficient and increase cost savings with RIOT PLM ONE.